friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start page 22 of Unit 2, Leo Lily's Adventure. Open up your books, page 22. Communicate. Words. Part A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words. I'm going to play an audio for you. Listen to this audio very carefully.
Page 22. Communicate. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Strong, gentle, patient, smart, calm, fierce, strong, gentle, patient, smart, calm, fierce.
I hope you have listened to this audio very carefully. Now let us find the meanings of these words. Strong, having great physical power and ability. Gentle, having or showing a kind and quiet nature. Patient, able to or showing the ability to remain calm. Smart, intelligent. Calm, undisturbed. Fierce, dangerously wild. As I have told you the meanings of these words now, part B of this page will be very easy. Circle the correct answers. You have to read out the sentence according to the meaning of the sentence words I have told you. Just circle the correct answer. Pause this video and circle the correct answer. I have solved this exercise for you as well. An elephant can be big and strong. This is true. A lion is always gentle and calm. This is false. A dog can be fierce and patient. This is true. A monkey can be smart. This is true. A mouse is always strong and fierce. This is false. That's all for today.